We have some leftover rice, and the best thing to do with leftover rice is to make fried rice. And so I've got my wok heated up right here. And before we start cooking things, we're going to get all of our ingredients ready. Some sliced onions, bite-sized pieces. Peas. These are thawed frozen peas. Here's our leftover rice. We also have some scrambled eggs, scallions. We've got some shrimp here as well. And our flavorings will be a little bit of soy sauce, Sichuan peppercorns, red pepper flakes, and some sesame oil. Fresh garlic. Smash it up. I don't have to really chop that up much more. Some fresh ginger. Get this. Chop that up as well. What I like to do with the shrimp, we've got it peeled and deveined. And what I do is I take it and I cut it in half this way. So I've got everything cut up already. Put in maybe a tablespoon or so of oil. And you can see that that's pretty hot. Put in our ginger, and we'll put in our onions. The ingredients that you need to cook longer, you want to put in first. We've got some eggs in here. The onions and our aromatics are going to keep cooking. I can push this to the side, and then pour in my eggs. So you'll see, pretty easy in a wok to separate these things out. And so now we'll just mix those onions in with our ginger and our garlic. I'm going to put in my shrimp. And while that shrimp is cooking up, I'm going to put in my Sichuan peppercorns. You make your tongue a little bit numb. And I've got this mixed in with a little bit of kosher salt. Not to worry, because this is not spicy. Mix these in, and you can kind of see the shrimp is starting to curl. Now I'm going to put in like a teaspoon of hot pepper. So now we'll mix our eggs back in. So you want your rice to be cold or at room temperature. Put that right in. Here, I'll just pull out a shrimp. See how it's curled up? So that shrimp is done. Let's add peas. And then finally, the sesame oil. I'm just going to put a teaspoon of that in. And we're not using that sesame oil to stir fry with. We're using it as a flavor. And then we're going to add one last thing, a little bit of soy sauce, maybe a tablespoon. You can hear that sizzling. And a handful of scallions. I'll shut things down now. Because essentially we are done cooking. Let's grab this and see, it's not all stuck together. Here's my shrimp, it's hot. A little tangy, a little spicy. That's it for now, and we'll see you next time.